What is up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be building AI workflows with n8n. It's been a long time since I posted a video to my channel. I'm back again at it. Today we're gonna build more AI workflow in n8n. Without more, let's get straight to it. So as you can see, I've done some previous executions. This is the exact thing that's gonna print out in the next line when I execute workflow. Click the execute workflow button. See the exact thing printed in the Google Sheets. This is the thing that I'm going to teach you today. Let's create a new workflow. And the first step is add your trigger node. Click N on the keyboard. And as you can see at the top of the list, you'll see a thing called trigger manual. You click that and you add the node into your workspace. So next, what you're going to do is click the plus button next to the trigger node and then edit. Type edit fields, as you can see at the top. So in this one, you're gonna add field. Click the add field box, and then you're gonna name it message. So we're gonna be sending a message to the panel below workspace. Okay, so it should be a string since it's printing as text message. So value means a message that you're gonna print. So the value, I'm gonna type hello world. Okay, so this exact value is going to be printed in this display. Okay, so that's basically the first part. So we can just execute the workflow. As you can see in the bottom display, you can see the hello world typed out. Okay, that's a basic step. You can try that out too. After that, we're gonna add another edit field. Now we're gonna use variables. Now in this second edit field, we're gonna add a field and then type it as final underscore output. Final output. Alright, and it should be string 2. So in this case, we're gonna use the message that we printed from the previous edit field into this one and add another message connected to it. So we're gonna click the expression button below and then we're gonna type 2 curly brackets. And as you can see, suggested box is opened, and then in that you can click JSON dot message. As you can see under fields, you can see message string, and to that we're gonna type dash it's dynamic. And as you can see below it, you see the result. You see the hello world, and next to it, next start message. This is gonna get printed in the display. You can do it this way, or you can see message hello world message box. You can drag that into this box, and when you release it, you can see the message, the code is being typed out, and then you can type your other part of the message. It's dynamic, and then you close it, and when you execute the workflow, you can see in the display, you see hello world dash it's dynamic. And that's step 2. Those are 2 basic workflows. You do those ones, get the hang of it. And then next to the second edit field, I type but I'll rename this one. Rename message 1. Rename it. And rename the second one as message 2. So to the end of message 2, there's a plus icon, and click that, and you add a Google Sheets node. And in that, under the action, you select append or update row in sheet. And here, since I've already signed into my Google Sheets, I don't have to again. So if you haven't signed into Google Sheets, a button with the message sign in with Google will appear here in the new add your Google account. Before doing this, you're gonna open your Google Sheets and make a new spreadsheet. So I've created a new spreadsheet as test1. I'm gonna type date, and the next box inside a message. So those are 2 columns and a name. Then under those 2 columns, I'm gonna print the exact thing that I printed on the display in n8n with the date and time. So since I created it, I'm gonna open the Google Sheets node. In the top credential part, you're gonna create a new credential, and here also you see sign in with Google button. I'm gonna sign in. Okay, under resource drop down, you can select sheet within document, and operation we already selected append or update row. And from the document, we're gonna select test1. It's the name of our spreadsheet. And sheet, it's always usually gonna be sheet 1. And then mapping column mode, under mapping column mode, you have to select map each column manually. And then you'll see another drop down column to match all. In that, I'm just gonna select date. On the date, I'm going to select the expression box above it. And then I'm going to type 2 curly brackets and select $now, the suggested ones. So $now means the current time, the current date that when you execute the workflow. Okay. Under that you see message, click expression, and as you can see at left input bar here, you see the file output box. Just drag it and drop it there. That's gonna automatically type there. Below it you see hello world, it's dynamic. Yeah, you can see that. Then we're gonna close it, and that's basically it. Now you're just gonna execute workflow. Alright. In my Google Sheets, as you can see, the message is typed out and the date and time is typed out. Let me just expand this. So that's basically it. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll meet you in another video with another workflow type. So see you guys, like, subscribe, stick with me.